What starts as a simple vandalism call is about to spiral into something far more serious. Officers are responding to reports that a nurse allegedly crashed into a motel, smashed a window with her bare hands, and fled before anyone could stop her. But as this investigation unfolds, the questions only get stranger. Was this rage? Was it intoxication? Or was something else causing this bizarre behavior? Watch closely because the officers begin piecing together witness statements, surveillance evidence, and eventually confront the suspected driver face to face. Pay attention to every detail. You'll see how small observations, legal procedures, and split-second decisions build a criminal case. And here's something to think about as you watch. At what point does someone's behavior cross from simply being reckless into becoming a serious danger to everyone around them?
If you saw her again, everybody here could identify her, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I saw her.
Did anybody witness the incident?
I watched it go like this.
Okay. Is your surveillance cameras up and working? Did anybody get a picture of her or just the tag of it?
Just the tag.
She took off her shirt when she did all this. That's why I didn't take it.
Is she someone that was staying in a room here or anything?
No, I've never seen her before.
So she came in, started helping herself to drinks back there.
Parked in the front first, and then I guess got kicked out of the bar, went back there, tried to make her own drinks, went back, came up here, and then just backed right into it.
What did she back into right here?
The wood. But when she couldn't hit the window, she got out of the car
and smashed the window.
Smashed it.
Okay.
And then she took off her shirt.
What do you guys want? You guys want to press charges and everything?
Yeah, he's the owner.
You guys want to press charges for vandalism and everything? Okay.
Yeah, she went behind the bar.
She made a couple drinks, right?
Yeah.
Do you know how many or anything like that?
I think one. I don't know. I got to ask the bartender. I came out of the kitchen, started freaking on her, threw her the heck out of there, and then she's like cursing at me, and I'm like, just get off my property.
Yeah.
And then she took off, and she came back, ran into that. I guess
She backed into it, or
I don't know. I don't know.
Which angle was the truck at whenever you saw it?
She took off, back in, out. Did you see she went in forward? Or
did she back in, or did she backed in? So she came back down from this way, backed in, hit the building, and then got out, punched the glass, and then got back in the truck and went south on his street.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then she backed out and then went forward and then backed up again. Pretty sure she hit that truck and then pulled in when we all were yelling at her.
If they got her. They get her yet?
We're looking for her, but we have her address, vehicle description, or vehicle registration, everything. So, we'll get it. So Edgewater's down there right now at the house. The charge for this is criminal mischief. If it falls under a certain amount of money, if it's under $1,000, it's a misdemeanor. If it's over $1,000, it's a felony. First degree misdemeanor DUI. Ma'am, you know where the owner went? Is he back here, or did he go back up there?
Oh, it does not look like she's having a good day.
What's up? All right. What did I miss?
She decided to resist in the house. That's about it.
No, we went in with his permission. It's his house or whatever. Okay. Went in there, made contact with her. Like, hey, just hang on a minute. I was gonna go in.
Lori?
Yeah, I was gonna go inside the kitchen and grab her a paper towel for her arm because she's still bleeding. They wrapped it for us.
She want rescue or?
They just wrapped it.
Okay.
So, and then I told her, I was like, just stay in the living room. Cortez told her to stay in the living room. She's like, no, get out of my house. And she started walking off. And then that's when we grabbed her and she started pulling away. So we placed her on the ground on the carpet.
So you guys have resisting as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Resisting without.
Okay.
You're my hound.
Hi, Lori.
Hi, sir.
All right.
Can you please grab
What?
Just not been right.
That's fine.
I'm getting eaten by
We're not gonna do that until they show up. So
Yeah. So what do we do?
come over here.
These are clean gloves, though. I just touched.
Yeah, that's fine.
I can go.
Why did you guys go in?
Huh?
Why did they go in? Did they see her go in?
I guess they asked him if she was here. He said, yeah.
And he let
gave
them in.
Permission.
Okay, okay. I just wanted to make sure there wasn't,
Yeah.
because it's not like Fresh Pursuit or anything like that.
Yeah. Okay.
That's on your chest. I can't scratch that for you. I'm sorry. I don't see any books on your neck.
Yes, he knows her.
You know her? Jordan, you know her?
He just said that she works up at. She's been an
What are you, a nurse?
That's why I asked her. I was like, why are you doing
All
this? And I was like,
You didn't bring this way out.
I told her, I was like, there's no more bugs on her neck. She wants me to scratch her.
You're good.
Said the rest of them are like up here on her chest, which I can't scratch.
Why don't you want to sit in the shade?
Because I'm itching in the butt
There's a
of
lot of
work.
bugs over there.
All right.
Bugs everywhere, beach side. Sand out.
Just we got something to do, and then once that's done, we'll start this investigation. Okay, ma'am. I am gonna say, because you're a nurse and you're in that position and stuff like that, if you could just please do your best to cooperate with us. We're not gonna hurt. You know how we are. We're not gonna hurt you. We're not gonna do anything like that. We'll take care of you. Huh?
I think I'm always doing something wrong.
You think you're always doing something wrong?
I'm like saying you're getting my bugs.
So we're gonna work through this together. But Lori, I can't. I'm not gonna hit you. Okay, that's not what we do. Okay, but we'll work through this. Okay, just if you wouldn't mind, just please cooperate. I know you're upset and stuff like that. What? No, I'm not saying you aren't. I'm just saying, you know, it'd be a lot better, especially for a person in your position. You know, I'm not telling you, you know, to consent to anything. I'm just saying, can you just please just be calm and relax with us? I'm not gonna hit your head, okay?
No,
I'm sorry. I'm not gonna hit your neck. Like, I'm sorry.
My arms undone.
Lori, I'm getting.
Run away. Like,
Lori,
you're acting like I'm like.
Lori, I'm getting bit by the bugs too. All right, I'm sorry.
I should have.
Well, the thing, if she says no to everything,
We'll talk about it.
Yeah. We're not gonna take her back to TV.
Stay standing.
Would you mind just hanging on to her since she's unsteady on her feet?
I'm like, it is so bad.
101 Executive Circle, they try to reach responding to the
I can't hear you.
Are they 5 minutes off?
They're coming from Sea Vista, so I would imagine he's coming from this way. Yep, we got her out. There you go. Yep.
Just don't want too many people.
Yeah,
over there.
yeah, I get it.
Can't really take her out handcuffs because I know she's going to resist.
Yeah, that's fine. Copy, thank you. All right. Cortez, bring her over here. Lori, can you come over here with this help? All right, Lori, can you look at me, please, so I understand that you can hear me speaking and everything like that? All right, right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used against you or may be used as evidence against you in a criminal prosecution. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him with you now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. So, Lori, all right, first and foremost, where are you coming from before you came here?
Work.
Where's work?
The hospital.
What time did you get off work?
In the morning.
What time this morning? 9? Would you work night shift last night? Pretty rough night. I'm sorry to hear about that. So what time did you get off work today? So like 9 o'clock this morning, right? Okay. Where did you go from there?
Honestly, I came here.
What'd you do there? You don't want to talk about it? Okay. So you came here. This is Chris's house, right? At any point did you leave this house today?
I left it 100 times.
Where'd you go?
I went to my house.
What about the Sea Vista Motel over here at 1701 South Atlantic Avenue? Did you go there today?
I don't remember. I can't confirm that.
Why don't you remember? I remember what I did this morning.
I don't even know what morning it is, sir.
Do you know what time of day it is right now, by chance, if you had a good guess?
Say it's like in the afternoon.
It is the afternoon, yeah.
Like,
So you don't remember going to Sea Vista at all?
I remember going there, having fun, and then people making fun of me.
People were making fun of you at Sea Vista? Where at the bar? Or at the hotel rooms or whatever? Or where were they making fun of you?
It was me.
Okay. So how long ago was that?
In the last like 48 hours.
The last 48 hours, so the last 2 days? Well, I know sometime between when you got off this morning at 9 and now. So you came back here, and then we came, and this is where we're at, right? Okay. So, do you recall anything that occurred at Sea Vista, like backing your truck into the building and then getting out and punching the window and all that? Do you remember doing that?
No.
You don't remember doing that? So a lot of people saw you do it.
Okay.
So, okay. What about going behind the bar and making yourself a drink and stuff like that? And do you remember doing that as well? So we have multiple people that witnessed you in actual physical control of your vehicle, not only back into a building there, causing property damage, but then you exiting your vehicle from the driver's seat, going around, punching a hole in a glass window, which smashed it, then getting back in your vehicle where you exited southbound on Hill Street at a high rate of speed, putting a lot of people in danger.
This is one of the most important moments in the entire investigation. Notice how the officer doesn't immediately jump to conclusions. Instead, he carefully explains exactly what witnesses reported and compares those statements to Lori's responses. Investigators aren't relying on a single accusation here. They're building probable cause using multiple independent witnesses, the visible property damage, her physical condition, and her own statements during the interview. That's exactly how these cases are supposed to be handled. The officer also points out something critical. Driving after causing property damage doesn't just risk buildings. It puts innocent drivers and pedestrians in danger. Now he's transitioning into the DUI investigation by requesting standardized field sobriety exercises. These tests are voluntary in many states, but refusing them doesn't make the investigation disappear. It simply means officers move forward using the evidence they've already gathered. What do you think? If several witnesses all describe the same events, is refusing the field sobriety tests a smart legal decision, or does it only make the situation more difficult? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
And you're a nurse, you know, like you've seen car accident victims, right? You know.
So I'm not saying that I might not have been like not my right state of mind.
I understand
not saying
that. I understand. I know you're not in
but
the right
like,
state of mind.
look at my body. If I was to do all that, this is all that I would have.
Yep. Okay. How much have
Dropping
you...
behind somebody's bar, taking over their cash register.
I never said
I
you
mean,
took.
like,
I never said you took over their.
sense.
Well, I never said you took over
I
the
mean,
cash
basically
register.
that's what we were saying. I stole from them.
Well, you did, because there's for when you do a transaction, it's hey, I'm giving you money for goods. Now, hey, the person that you gave money to is now giving you said goods. When that transaction is done inappropriately, like where you just slam money down and then go behind there, that transaction wasn't approved. So I'm not really too worried about the theft of a $10
I'm
drink.
not
You know what I'm
saying
worried
I'm
about?
saying that's like a different.
Yes. Okay.
Like I'm not saying that. Okay.
Lori.
I'll be quiet.
Here's what I have to ask now.
I have nothing.
Due to having multiple people, independent witnesses that saw you in actual physical control of your truck, based off of your slurred speech, your bloodshot eyes, okay, you're having a hard time standing on your feet. Right now, I'm going to ask if you perform some standardized field sobriety exercise. You don't want to perform any standardized field sobriety
If you
exercise.
itch my arms, I will.
I cannot itch your arms for you. So you don't want to do that based off of just not getting your arms itched. Is that what I'm hearing?
I'm literally getting eating up bites.
I am too. Look at them. They're in my hand. In my room.
It's terrible.
Lori, unfortunately, I can't.
I'll do it.
Listen, you have the right to refuse to do it.
No, I just don't want it. Like, I literally got.
Would you want to perform any sort of standardized field sobriety exercise for me today? Because right now I do believe that
I wasn't behind the wheel, so.
You were. There was multiple witnesses.
Okay, witnesses when?
When you were at Sea Vista after you crashed. But they already have. They've already filled sworn written statements out.
Okay, fine. Let's go to the door.
Okay. We don't have to. It's all on body cam and everything like that. Whenever this is all done, you can go look at the body cams and everything like that and the investigation that has led us to here. All right? So, Lori.
So I'm doing anything else.
So right now I'm asking if you would participate. Again, this is participating in standardized field sobriety exercises. Keyword participation, you don't have to do them. Do you want to do them, though?
No.
Okay, you do not want to do them. All right, perfect.
Yeah,
We're going to go in the back of your cargo. Yep. We're going to go back at his car real quick. No, I'm not. We're not going the back and forth. You said no. That's fine. Come on, Lori. We're not going back and forth with it. You said no. Okay, it's very important that you hear and listen to this.
I can't. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's very important. I'm going to read you something. It's very important.
I can't.
You can't listen to it? All right. Well, I'm going to read it anyways.
Really itchy.
We put you in here to get you away from the bugs. I want you to stay seated in there, please.
Okay, I will stay sitting in here, but I'm telling you, I don't want to listen.
Well, you don't have a choice whether or not to listen.
Yes, I do. Close my door.
No. Okay. I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. If you refuse to take the test I have requested for you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year. Or
Wait,
if you have been...
accusing me of something?
Yes, of driving under the influence. You're correct.
So I haven't been under the Miranda rights?
I already read you Miranda rights and you talked to me.
I don't remember any of that.
Okay, well, it's on Bodycam.
Okay.
All right.
Well, can you edge my arms and somebody? Yeah.
So, let me get done finishing reading this, okay? Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, and if your driving privilege has previously been suspended, or if you have been previously fined under Florida State Statute 327-35215 for a refusal, please sit in the car. Do not exit this car. Sit in the car. I'm not
You want another charge?
A charge for what?
Getting out of my car. Get the back in the car. We're not doing this. Yep. Sit down.
So be in the car.
Sit down.
We're not doing
Don't pee
this.
in my car either.
Well, I don't know what to do.
Okay, get back in the car. You gonna pee in yourself? If you're gonna pee your pants, you're gonna sit in your pants. So hold your pants.
For a refusal
Wait until we get to the hospital.
we're going to go to the hospital. For a refusal,
I don't have to pee because I have to
for
go to
a
the hospital.
Lori,
You do
the
have to go to the
quicker you let me read this, the quicker you can go pee. I'm asking right now for you to do a breath test to determine your alcohol in your blood. All right.
It's really pee.
Okay, Lori, is that a yes or a no?
I'm not submitting to anything.
Okay, perfect.
Looking back at this incident, what began as a property damage complaint quickly evolved into a complex criminal investigation involving alleged DUI, resisting officers, and multiple additional charges. Throughout the encounter, the officers repeatedly attempted to keep communication calm, explain each legal step, and document every decision on body camera. Whether discussing Miranda rights, requesting field sobriety exercises, or explaining the consequences of refusing a breath test, they followed procedures designed to preserve evidence while protecting everyone's safety. As the court records later showed, several charges were ultimately dropped while others resulted in probation rather than incarceration, an important reminder that arrests and final court outcomes are often very different. Cases like this also highlight how prior driving history, witness testimony, and body cam footage can all play major roles in determining accountability. Do you believe the officers handled this situation appropriately from start to finish? Or would you have done something differently? Share your opinion below. And if you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns, and share this video with someone who enjoys seeing how these investigations unfold from the very beginning.